doesn't have to be overwhelming. Let's jump into 24 things that you can declutter in 2024 to get you started. For a quick first win, let's head over to your pantry. If you're someone who struggles letting go of any items, whether you're the sentimental personality type or always prepping for that in case of an emergency moment, decluttering your pantry items is one of the easiest places to start. Simply take a peek at your pantry and toss all expired items. Now this next item is dying to be recycled. Get rid of your old magazines. Those monthly subscriptions of Good Housekeeping or whatnot from 5 years ago pile up. The chances of you needing them are slim to none, and if there's something of serious value on one of the pages, simply rip out the page and toss the rest. For this next item, let's head over to your closet. Get rid of your broken hangers, and yes, I had to break this hanger for the purpose of this video, the thing we do for content. Save yourself the headache and declutter broken and unused hangers. As a pro tip, invest in velvet hangers instead of plastic ones. They actually take up less space in your closet and are non-slip. While still amidst your wardrobe gear, do a quick scan of your sock drawer. If it doesn't have a pair, don't wait for it to appear. It probably won't. Toss the old socks and the ones that don't have a buddy to hang out with. All right, so this next one I used to do for absolutely no reason at all. I would hold on to candles that have already run out. I mean, this one still has a little life in it, but you know what I mean. Declutter the burnt out candles and lids. They are not decorative pieces on your bookshelf. They are clutter. Quick decluttering items number 6, 7, and 8 have to do with all things that make us beautiful. And it is to toss dry and used up nail polishes, eyeshadow colors that you won't dare wear, and that dried up mascara. If you're getting value from my video, contribute to my coffee addiction by smashing that like button. All right, decluttering warriors, let's keep that momentum going. Decluttering item number 9. Coffee mugs. How many do we actually need? Maybe 2 per member in the household. How many do you currently have? Now be honest, drop a comment and let me know. Declutter some of your mugs. It's okay to let go. Your cabinet space will thank you. While you're decluttering your mug collection, why not declutter those hefty phone bills as well? I've partnered with Mint Mobile so that you can
save money.
That was a bit ominous, on your phone bill and instead invest in some much needed home organization products, such as these vacuum sealed bags and much needed velvet hangers. Why Mint Mobile? Because they offer speed, coverage, data, access to 5G, unlimited talk and text, and mobile hotspots for as low as $15 a month. Built on the nation's largest 5G network, keeping costs low because they sell directly to you online, cutting out those salespeople. Switching to Mint is super easy thanks to digital eSIM cards, which most phones now have. You can sign up and activate immediately right on your phone from the comfort of your own home. If your phone doesn't have an eSIM, Mint will ship one to you. Why should you pay more than you have to for access to the same network? Go to trymintmobile.com/begoodtoyourself. Also linked in my description, to get premium wireless for $15 a month. Then get yourself that trending bathroom scrubber you've always wanted. Next, while amidst the kitchen, why not go through your Tupperware as well? If it's got no lid and looks past its prime, you know the kind of container you give to your kids to do with as they please, then we can safely kiss it goodbye. Next is chipped and broken dishes. I know you love that beautiful china, but if it's broken and you never put it out, why keep it? It's hard to let go for sure, but it's no longer serving you. This next item can possibly have a ton of sentimental value attached to it and a ton of grease. Recycle the cookbooks. There was a time when it was a trend to display cookbooks on our countertops. Cookbooks, most of us only keep for aesthetic reasons and never actually open. And look, if you have a cookbook you love, keep it. But I'm talking to you who has them, doesn't use them, and let's be honest, you get all of your recipes from TikTok. Number 13, go through your cleaning supplies. Sometimes we buy stuff and it doesn't actually work for our home, so we dump it into the junk drawer underneath our kitchen sinks and try to forget about it. It's there though. It's there. Declutter it. Number 14 and 15 are beauty and hair products. I know you spend a ton on that facial cream that makes you itchy. Maybe one day it won't, but that day won't come. The hairspray that you bought, or gel, or the many bottles of dry shampoo that continue to keep your hair looking oily. It's got to go. Number 16, go through your craft supplies. I personally do not indulge, but I do have several clients whose craft spaces get out of hand. So go through your stuff and only keep what you need. Number 17 can be a little bit challenging, and it's clothing that does not fit. Now is the time to unburden yourself from the workout gear you bought 5 years ago, the jeans that are 2 sizes too small, and that shirt that does not flatter you at all. Number 18 are outgrown kids' toys. Now these can be a little bit tough. It's best if your kids are on board with it. I mean, I guess you can do it behind their back.
Oh, London, I have no idea where that Barbie doll went. I am sure it will show up at some point.
Number 19, paperwork, bills, and taxes. Always double check with your accountant before you shred. Next, workout equipment. See, this one is a little bit tough because you probably spent a ton of money on it and it's currently staring at you in the bedroom crying,
"Why won't you love me?"
And the truth is because exercise sucks. Also, just as a side note, never keep your exercise gear in the bedroom. It is distracting. Evaluate whether or not you'll actually use it. Or maybe simply watching a Zumba YouTube video is more for you. I personally love it. Then you can sell the workout gear on eBay or gift it to a neighbor. Number 22, oh my God, old textbooks. Something about old college textbooks, maybe the sentimental part of us just can't seem to part with our old life. And chances are these textbooks are out of date. Now, I know they were super expensive to purchase. The money has already been spent, like 30 years ago. It's time to let them go. Number 23, CDs and DVDs. Even maybe VHS tapes if you still have those. I get it. There's a certain level of nostalgia that comes with owning some of these things. But the Roku stick is in full swing. Do you really need any of them? Maybe hold on to a few for sentimental value. And finally, take a good look at those kitchen appliances. That bullet that someone gifted you for Christmas, you know, the one that's still sitting in the box because you're waiting for inspiration to make some kale smoothies? Keep it real. Do you need all of those kitchen appliances that you have nowhere to put? Probably not. If you're truly committed to achieving a clutter-free home this year, you can check out this video here where I walk you through step by step how to create your personalized decluttering plan. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. As always, good luck on your decluttering journey, and remember to be good to yourself.